numbers 12 times 13, and I am showing you one of the strategies that your kids will learn to multiply two-digit numbers times two-digit. This is taught after we use models, and then we go back and use models again to learn this strategy as well. One of the things that this particular method does is it shows the kids how we're multiplying by place value. So what I ask the kids to do right off the bat is to tell me how the number 12 is pulled apart in place value. And I ask them, what is it in expanded form? That's exactly what that fancy word expanded form means. And they're familiar with that word, and they can do that really successfully. So they try and tell me that 12 can be pulled apart. There are two ones and a set of 10. So I always have them write the tens place here. Since there's one set of 10, the value of that's 10. And since there are two ones, we put our 2 right here. So this is the tens place and this is the ones place. Okay. The next number 13 we can put on top. We're going to do the very same thing. We have a set of 10 and we have a set of 3 ones. It does not matter which of the two numbers goes on top, because it does not matter when we multiply using an algorithm which of the two numbers goes on top. And that's because of commutative property. Okay, now what I like for my kids to do right off the bat is to ignore this bottom half. We're going to start with multiplying the tens place on 13, or if you have yours arranged like mine, on 12. We're going to multiply the tens place times the tens place of 13 and the tens place times the ones place here. Okay? And so when I have the kids kind of focus in like this, it keeps them from getting stressed out about these boxes down here. So kids are going to multiply 10 times 10, and they're going to put their partial product in here. 10 times 10 is 100. This is that green 100s flat that we had in our model. Okay. Now they're going to multiply. Oh, and this, in our basic algorithm, our standard algorithm, is that piece right there. Okay. Now they're going to multiply 10 times 3. And that, in our standard algorithm, is right here. 10 times 3 is 30. And those are also the 3 tens rods that we had in our array. Now this is the part where they switch to multiplying the ones place up here times both of these digits. Okay, so now we're going to multiply the 2 here times the tens place. 2 times 10 is 20. And now we will multiply the ones place times the ones place. 2 times 3 is 6. And they will add up all of their partial products, and I have them just do it right here like this. And they will get 156, and they have the same answer. Like I said, what's great about this is it shows the place value multiplying and not digits like 3 times 1. It's really 3 times 10. Okay, and here it shows 3 times 10. This is not 1 times 1, it's really, because the 1 is in the tens place on both of these numbers, it's really 10 times 10. And this is where we get 100 from. And this is not really 1 times 2, it's really 10 times 2. And here it is right in this problem. So the window pane method is fantastic for showing all of our array pieces and for them to understand how we're getting the numbers when we come to the standard algorithm, that we're multiplying by place value, not just digits. Now, stay tuned for another way that your kids will learn. Thanks!